Not everyone that saith unto me, Lord, Lord, shall enter into the kingdom, who then will enter. Moses came down from the mountain of Sinai. What did King Solomon ask for from God? Wisdom? Climb. Next level.